like working with my hands. Before switching careers to the maintenance field, I was a machine operator or in production field. And while doing that, there were times where, machines would be down and maintenance wasn't available, or, there wasn't enough staffing. So I try to pitch in and learn and help out to, keep the things going. I really didn't do well in school, but with regular school and a trade, they're different areas. So with a trade, I could focus in on it better, and there's a lot of hands-on, so that's even better for me. I took a chance and said, I could further my education. Switching over to the maintenance field, not knowing all the aspects of how machinery works, they want you to be versatile mechanically and electrically. I was always mechanically inclined. Although every time I took tests, I would get a higher score on the electrical part than the mechanical part. So that kind of led me to, pursue more electrical so I could gain that knowledge. I've always wanted to learn about CNC. Writing G codes for whatever you want to cut, it'll print up a diagram of the piece that you're making or anything like that, and as long as you write that G code properly and enter it into the software, it'll come out exactly as you want it. And now that I have that opportunity, I'm flying with it. I think I've adapted well with technology. I'm always down for learning anything new. Because the more information I have, the more information I could give out. And that's really the end goal for me. I want to help other people to excel in their careers as well.